Hey guys, anybody there? Yep, how we doing, guys? Austin here. I'm gonna wait for a few people to get here. For those of you guys catching this on the replay, I'm gonna wait for just a minute. We have major breaking news that we'll talk about here in a minute. So let's wait for some people to get on here. I've got a cute couple of people. Drop in the chat, guys, whenever you guys come on. Where you guys are from. So drop in the chat where you guys are from. There we go. There we go. Brian's here. David's here. Welcome. Sadat here. Hi, Dad. Yeah, you guys knew I'd be jumping on, man. It's crazy. We are absolutely taking off. Wow, got a lot of people here now. Cool. Excellent. All right, guys. Wow, welcome. Yeah, we're pumping. Yeah, we're absolutely crazily moving up. And I think we're about to take over. We're real close to getting back into the one spot, right, on the 100,000. So, yeah, welcome, guys. Man, it's good to see everybody here. Cool. Maine, Italy, London, Florida, Scotland, Germany. Wow, just crazy. You guys are flowing in. Indonesia, Vegas. Vegas is one of my favorite places on the planet. UK, Nigeria, Amsterdam, Cali. Wow. You guys, thanks for your support, man. You guys jumping on with me. This is really cool. Hit the like button if you would. I appreciate it. We want to tell the algorithm that you guys like me, so hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna talk about this, man. It's crazy. I was out running some errands, and a buddy of mine called me and said, "Man, Shiba is pumping," and I'm like, "What the hell's going on?" And he was like, "I think we got listed on Coinbase." So I'm going to show that to you guys here in a minute. I'm assuming you know that's the reason that we're absolutely moving up. Man, welcome everybody. 500 plus viewers concurrently. That's awesome. What is this? We broke the one spot for a few seconds. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we'll check that out, man. This is awesome. This is good. This is a good day, right? Let me refresh this and see if that changes right here. Yeah, so right here, man, 24-hour highs and lows right now. It's showing we peaked at 975. Which we're right there. We're almost there, guys. Peaked at 4 at 956 right now. I'm going to spend about an hour with you guys, give or take. If we may go a little bit longer. I've got to run out. Honestly, I got to get my hair cut, so I got to go do that. Did not plan for for this to happen. Obviously, the Coinbase thing is happening. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. For those of you guys who are looking for SHIB on Coinbase, it's not going to be on Coinbase.com or the Coinbase app yet. It first goes on Coinbase Pro. Okay, and then so this is a direct link to the Coinbase blog, and you can see right here Shiba Inu are launching on Coinbase Pro. So this is classic Coinbase, man. They did this. They did this with Dogecoin, and now they did this with SHIB. They didn't make any type of a pre-announcement. Hi, Dad. Where did you put our toys? Oh, man, somebody keeps moving my crap, dude. Hold on. Let me get them in here. I think my wife comes in here and moves them around. There you go. There you go, guys. Okay, I got to get more, too. I'm going to get some more, though. Yeah, so here, it's on the screen. So, look, Shiba Inu is launching on Coinbase Pro effective today. Let's see. Coinbase, you got to have Coinbase Pro. But here's the thing, guys. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. So what Coinbase does is it launches on Coinbase Pro first, and then it will be on Coinbase.com app and the app and then Coinbase.com. Okay, they're different things. You got to realize that in the Coinbase world, they are absolutely different things. Okay, and I want to show you guys this. Y'all ready to this? This is crazy cool. Here we go. Look at this bad boy. Look at this chart. Look at how we have jumped. I did a video this morning. We were kind of trending. We were right in here. And the video I did this morning, we were right here. Okay? And then this, everything you see right here, it's Coinbase, baby. There it is. Okay? It's right there. It's just jumping and pumping and just going up and up and up and up and up and up. All right. So I'm gonna reiterate that. Some of you guys are coming in and asking. Right now, guys, it's on Coinbase Pro. So if you have a Coinbase.com account, you cannot trade SHIB yet. Okay, it's only on Coinbase Pro right now. Okay, they did this exact same thing for Dogecoin, and I literally think it was like a day or two later they did it for they gave the Coinbase.com accounts the ability to buy and sell Doge. Okay, this is massive, guys. Nobody was expecting this. But this is how Coinbase has kind of been working recently. Remember with Dogecoin, they made the announcement that they were going to be, you could buy and sell Doge on Coinbase, and they said it was going to be like 6 weeks for them to get it up and running on the network. And then they pulled a fast one, not in a bad way. They pulled a fast one on us, and they just came out and they had it up there. It was crazy. So this direct right here, guys, this move up is absolutely Shiba now being traded on Coinbase. This is the pump going on from there. And here's your proof right here. Launching on Coinbase Pro. And yeah, man, I mean, this is absolutely crazy stuff. I mean, guys, we have the ability right here. Look, remember, I'm going to show you this. I want you guys to remember this. Our year-to-date all-time high has been a 3.3431. Now remember, that's when we had a 3 right here in this spot, okay? So we're about to get back to that spot with a 1, and then we're going to go from there. I fully expect us to keep pumping and keep moving up. By the way, we picked up at least a few spots. No, guys, we picked up like 11 spots on the ranking. We were at like 41 or 42 in the overall ranking right there on the CoinMarketCap ranking. So we picked up like 11 or 12 spots on CoinMarketCap ranking. That is insane. Look, we moved up 31% in market cap. Volume's up 36%. This is absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Yeah, this is awesome, awesome, awesome. There it is, guys, right there, man. There's your pump right there, right there. Okay. Let me get rid of that for you so you don't have to look at that. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Delete that. There's your massive spike up. Okay. All right. So we're going to talk about this, man. This is absolutely crazy. I'm going to be here with you guys for probably about an hour. Okay. So let me look at the chat here and see what we got. So yeah, man, we're moving up. I mean, this is absolutely just crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Somebody said next up, Robinhood and Shiba Swap. Yep. JP said that. You know, that's the funny thing, man. We were remember the change.org that was for Robinhood, and we jumped up and we got the big bad boy himself, Coinbase. But you know what's funny? Here it is, guys. Coinbase is not stupid. Coinbase is like, hell yeah, let me on the Shiba bandwagon, right? I mean, their attitude is they're going to make money with people buying and selling and trading and all that kind of that stuff. I mean, it's the hottest coin going right now. Let me look and see right here, right now. If we go to crypto, we go to gainers and losers, and we go to most visited. I mean, we're the number 3 most visited, and by the way, I guarantee you, we'll take the number 1 spot. We're gonna pop right there. But we're at one of the top cryptos in all of CoinMarketCap. I'm gonna remind you, there's over 10,200 plus cryptocurrencies out there. It's insane. Okay, and so we just jumped up from number 41. We were SHIB was in the number 41, 42 spot. Guys, we just jumped 11 spots, 11 or 12 spots. I mean, we just jumped 11 or 12 spots right there, from right to that. This is awesomeness. All right, so you can see, and look at this. The candlestick is where the most of the trading is happening, and then the wick is where it popped up to, jumped up to. So that's pretty cool there. All right, so let me look at some comments, see what we got here. Took Doge almost a decade to get on. It took Doge. Crystal took Doge almost a decade to get on Coinbase. I don't think people realize. Crystal, thank you for that comment. Crystal said in the chat, listen to this, guys. It took Dogecoin a decade to get on Coinbase, and so you probably don't realize how monumental this is. This is massive, guys, okay? It's also kind of in my opinion, it's also kind of what am I trying to say? It's kind of a direction of where I see the major exchanges like Coinbase going. They're smart. They're business people, right? They know that there's a ton of volume in some of these coins. So I think what they do is they let some of these coins go out there and then if it looks like those coins kind of get legs underneath them, like Shiba did, right? Then they bring it on, okay? And so I think that's kind of what's happening here. And I think also, frankly, I think part of the deal here is that, you know, when we had that video that launched over the weekend that showed kind of video proof of Shiba Swap coming, things like that. I mean, I think that helped. You know, all of that kind of went into play here. So this is really, really, really cool stuff. So now you get to go to anybody who's been kind of spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt around your beloved Shiba and tell them to go to hell. All right. Tell somebody to go to hell today as it relates to SHIB. All right. Man, this is cool. John says VeChain is still not on Coinbase yet, so this is huge. Wow, you're right, John. That's a good point. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's see what else we got here. I've got a lot of comments coming in. This is awesome, guys. This is fun. Maybe they saw the video. Yep, I think you're right, Brian. I just said that. I think they saw maybe the video of it. What's up, William? Welcome. We've already talked about it. Gene, you can't buy it on Coinbase or Robinhood yet. Yeah, you're right. You can only get it on Coinbase Pro, right, guys, right here. You can only get SHIB for Coinbase Pro right now, which is okay, guys. This is how Coinbase does this. They did this to Dogecoin as well. Okay, in about a day or two, worst case, by next week, you'll be able to get SHIB on Coinbase.com, and you'll be able to buy it on the app. Okay, so this is really cool. Put the graph back on. You got it, guys. Here you go. There's the graph. That's just a thing of beauty, isn't it? Isn't that a thing of beauty? That's just, I mean, I damn near want to take a picture of this and put it on my wall, right? That's a thing of beauty right there. I mean, you got, you know, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless, right? And you guys know me. I'm not usually speechless. All right, what else we got here? Cool, we got a lot of people coming in. We got like 1,300 people live with me, man. That's awesome, guys. Thank you so much thanks for spending your afternoon with me. This is really good stuff. Let's see what else we got here. Check IQ coin burning. Oh, okay. Hungary just scored. Oh, somebody. I'm assuming that's soccer. Hungary just scored. 400 million Shiba so far. Somebody's got. Robinhood shooting themselves in the foot right now. I agree. Who said that? I just looked away. The chat's going so fast. I bet you Robinhood is like, damn it. Right? I bet you they are. They're like, man. Hezekiah, Hezekiah is here. He's one of my Inner Circle members over on my Patreon group. He just asked me about SHIB. Yep. By the way, I got to tell you, let me give you guys a little invite over to, I've got a private Discord over. The link's in the description below if you guys want to come check it out. If you can't get enough of me and all things like that, I'm building a new portfolio over there for my guys over there and guys and gals over there. We got a Discord group that's a community. We support each other. So if that's something you care about, check it out in the comments below. Okay, just check that out and go see if that's something you care about. Somebody's asking me about price prediction. Here's the thing, guys. Remember, I'm gonna remind you of this. So we dropped just a little bit. We're at 8919, which is not a big deal. We've dropped just a smidge. There's your word. We dropped just a smidge down. I think again. So I'm gonna remind you guys, for those of you guys that haven't seen this yet, our all-time high is 3431. Okay, and that 3 was sitting in this spot right here. That's the 100,000 spot. I know that the Holy Grail is here. That's a penny. Okay. Remember, I did a video about a week ago, guys. I showed that if you put $500 in, and if you'd bought $500 when this was like a 4 or something, I believe, and if we reached a penny, that $500 was going to put up about $741,000 of what it was going to make you. That same $500, if we get to this spot right here, was going to make you $74,000 on that investment. And if we got to this spot right here, that same $500 would make you $7,400. Okay, so price prediction, man. I think we've absolutely got it. We're absolutely going to take over the 100,000 spot, I think, and keep it. And then the next level is here. Okay, and I think what's going to happen. Oh, Christopher sent me a super chat. Thanks for the videos, Austin's always good content. Thank you, Christopher, for the super chat. Thank you. Appreciate you. So I think, guys, here's the thing. I think what I'm saying is 100,000 spot, we're on our way, right? And I think we'll hit that. What has to happen here is a couple of things. Number one, we got to keep Bitcoin. Let me show you this. You guys know what I'm about to say. We got to keep Bitcoin moving up. We got to keep Ethereum moving up. So the overall market's got to continue to trend up, which I fully expected to do that. Okay, as long as the overall market kind of stays green. Because here's what's going to happen. We're going to ride this wave for a little bit. Probably we may get even more of a pump up and continue to move up. Now, I'm going to tell you this. I'm not trying to be all Mr. FUD over here and Mr. Doom and Gloom, but I want to say we've got a lot of people out there holding SHIB, and so we might have some sell-off from this. I hope that doesn't happen, because this is a major catalyst, and I hope people aren't looking at it and going, "Holy hell, man! Now I can ride it up and get out." Okay, so I hope that doesn't happen. I hope that we have people that continue to hold and continue to just do what. Yeah, I hope we have diamond hands, right? Carlos, thanks for the super chat. He said he's holding 200 million tokens. Diamond hands over here. You bring it up. Good point, Carlos. I hope that we have diamond hands moving forward. Okay. And that we don't get a sell-off. That's what I don't want to happen. So if we don't get a sell-off, which hopefully that we won't. So for those of you guys watching live, and for those of you guys who are watching the replay, don't sell. Let's ride it up. Okay, let's continue to go up, right? Again, not investment advice. All right, continue to move forward. I think we can get here again. We got to get to the one spot, hold it. Then we got to get here. I think we got enough maybe in this whole thing to get all the way over into this position, which is the 10,000 spot. That's pretty massive, okay? Yeah, it's cool. And see what's also happening, guys. Remember, let me look at this. Let me show you this. If we go here, Shiba Inu coin news, right? Okay. Look at this, guys. Pay attention. This is a biggie. This has not hit mainstream media yet. So the media doesn't know about this yet. Okay, it hasn't. So basically all we have so far is we have a press release that hit the Coinbase blog, which is how Coinbase does it. So right now you got major media outlets across the world that are being notified that this has just went down. And within 24 to 36 hours, we are going to start seeing a lot of media articles and coming out, which is going to do what? That's going to pump. It's going to bring in new retail money. Period. It's going to bring in new retail money. Got a super chat. How secure is using Voyager or Crow as a type of savings account by using USDC as an interest earning account? Honestly, I appreciate the super chat, but I can't specifically speak to that, like how secure it is. I'm going to tell you guys straight up. I don't know. Okay, I'm just telling you. What I would do is, if you're looking for specific information on Voyager, guys, on that super chat, thank you, by the way, then just go look at a couple of YouTube videos. You guys know me. I'm not going to tell you something I don't know. Okay, so go check it out. Go look at some YouTube videos on looking for like Voyager, how secure is Voyager, and things like that. Okay. So thanks for the super chat, by the way. Caveman, hungry, hodl your SHIB for life for change money. Cool. Yep. I've got another super chat. Hi, is Gerardo from Springfield, Mass. 12B Shiba holder? I have no idea. Sorry about that. And if that's somebody that was in the chat, I'm sorry. I have no idea. God, we have 1,900 concurrent users here. This is insane. Thank you for your support, guys. Thanks for spending some time with me. This is cool. Yeah, so Jason says, don't sell it is advice. Yeah, okay, I guess it is. But I always have to give the disclaimer, right? Okay. So yeah, guys, listen to what I just said. I'm going to reiterate that, right? It's that the mainstream media has not picked this up yet, okay? The only people that are in the know are you guys, okay? So you guys are paying attention. You're here on YouTube. You're out looking at it for information. So you're the only guys that know about this right now. Media has not picked it up, which tells me we may have a second wave of pump coming. It's very, very possible, okay? Because there's people out there that are not paying attention, frankly. Okay, and so the fact that this has happened has yet to be picked up, and I think we could see some really nice movement. Hey, we hit back to the 9 in the millionth spot, so that's really cool. Okay, so let me check out some chats here. Shiba Inu to the moon, don't sell, holding, hodl. NK Point has 100 million, very cool. Continue to move forward. Diamond hands, don't just sell. Bye. Everyone hold. God, finally been buying good. Bear with me, guys. I'm looking at the chat. I see a dog on the moon. Portugal, go. I want to buy a rhinoceros. Josh just sent me a super chat. I'm holding 3.5 billion SHIB and will not sell a single SHIB until we hit 4. He says he's not going to sell until we hit 4 in, what is that? That's this spot right here. That's a, man, Josh, that is a major, really, really nice amount of money you could make on that deal. That's crazy. That's cool. Thanks for the super chat, man. Welcome. We need Shiba Swap. Yeah, that, and you know what? Somebody said we need Shiba Swap as well. Guys, that's a good point. We don't have Shiba Swap out yet, right? And that's another major, huge catalyst coming out. So that's coming as well. And so that could pump us more. I mean, between Shiba and mainstream media, remember, I think we're here. We're almost here taking over this 100,000 spot. And after that, it's on and upwards. I think Shiba Swap plus Coinbase could move us one movement over, hang there for a while, and then, man, I think we'll see how far we go. I mean, people are talking about years for us to reach a penny. If it is what it is, if that's what happens, but I mean, again, $1,000, $500 today, and and it's a couple of years out, and we do hit a penny, that's not a bad thing. Okay. Oh, I got another. There was another one. Oh, okay. BB says, thanks for the super chat, by the way. It sucks. Crypto.com won't allow you to get your Shiba coins to Shiba Swap. Oh man, that does suck. I had a couple of Inner Circle members in my Coinbase, in my Patreon group. We're talking about the Crypto.com outages and all that kind of stuff. In fact, we talked about that yesterday on the live I did yesterday. Some of the stuff going on there, man. This is yeah. Okay, let me see if there's any other chats here. I mean, I can't, guys, if I can't get to your chat, I'm sorry. We've got a million chats coming through. I got 2,100 people on here live right now. It's crazy. Guys, hit the like button if you would, please. Let's pump up the likes a little bit. Tell the algorithm that you guys like me. So hit the likes if you would. I would greatly appreciate that. Michael, 113 million in holding. Cool. Varun, I hope I'm saying that. You got 49 million. Cool. Don't sell, guys. Yep. Rahul, finally get to see you live. Love your videos. Thank you. Appreciate you. 40 million. Kay has 40 million. Hold just like AMC. Yassine said. Yep. Todd bought it at when at 0026 when it dropped from the peak. Okay, so Todd, you got a little bit of room to you got to get back to a 2 there. That's cool. I got you. Is it worth transferring my crypto to MetaMask, Shiba Swap, or just... Guys, I would leave it there. You know, here's the thing. I mean, leave it kind of where it's at. And that's my personal opinion. Depends on what you're trying to do. Yeah. Oh, Bompter. I hope I'm saying your name right. It says share with your community too. So you guys definitely, if y'all are any additional like discords or communities and things like that, definitely let them know that. Man, we're pumping even more. Now we're at 9178. That's cool stuff. I think we peaked at 975, so I want to get us to over 975 right there. Okay, let me refresh that. See if we moved up any more on CoinMarket. Yeah, we're still at 30 on CoinMarket right there. Okay, but we're up 2849. Ramad has 400 million. Wow, diamond holder, cool. Somebody asked me to explain a pump and dump. It's pretty straightforward. A pump and dump is when a bunch of people will tell you to go buy, and a bunch of people didn't buy it, and the people that owned it really, really low are wanting you guys to go out and pump it up, and then they dump it, and then they sell when it's high, and then they start dumping it. That's a pump and dump. It's absolutely not what's going on here, but that's somebody asked me a question about what was a pump and dump, so that's what I'm explaining that to them. So Min asked that. Target, somebody already said. I already went over that. I think we're definitely going to get right here, guys. We're going to move into the 100,000 spot. And I think with everything, we might be able to take over the 10,000 spot. Might. Okay. Let's see. Michael bought 2 billion SHIB in January, holding it till a penny. Let's hold it. Very cool. Cool, Michael. Oh, got another super chat somewhere. Where was it? Saw it just come in. Or is that the one I already dealt with? I think that's the one I already did. Jason. Oh, there you go. Sorry about that. Jason, almost missed you, man. Jason, you rock, bro. Thanks for the info. Hold. I want to quit my job. 100 million holding. Very cool. Thank you for the super chat, Jason. Appreciate you, man. And yeah, these coins like this, man, these can be life changers if we do move up, right? They absolutely can be life changers. All right, let's keep moving here. Oh, I love it. This is a throwback. Somebody said S28 Labs says they're gonna buy Porn Rocket with some of their SHIB profits. There you go. Go pick up some Porn Rocket. There you go. That's funny. Made me laugh. You got me on that one. That made me laugh. For those of you guys know what that is, I think on my first live stream, which was Sunday night, guys, we ended up talking about Porn Rocket a lot because it was one of those. I'll show you guys. Here it is. It's one of those trending. If you go to crypto gainers and losers and you look at trending, it was right in here. It was trending. Isn't that right? Yeah, let's trending. Where's it at? There it is, right there. Porn Rocket, right there. She's down a little bit. Our Porn Rocket is down. All right. Let's see. 33 million locked. Mr. Jansen says that. Laura says it's not on there. Laura, yeah, we've talked about it. Somebody said I'm a liar. Oh, okay, guys, come on. Let's come back to me, guys. I'm not a liar. Okay, relax. First and foremost, guys, everybody take a breath. Okay, not a liar. I don't like to be called a liar. So somebody dropped in the chat I was a liar. I'm not a freaking liar. Shiba is on Coinbase Pro right now, okay? It's on Coinbase Pro. This is proof of it, guys. It's on Coinbase blog. Getting me a little hot here, okay? It's on Coinbase Pro, and it will be coming to Coinbase.com in the app probably within a day or two. This is how Coinbase does. So don't call me a liar. Sorry about that. All right. I'm not a liar. That kind of shit pisses me off. All right. Keep it moving here. You guys can tell that I'm not a liar. I don't lie about anything. All right. Let's move on. Okay, so continuing here a little bit. Guys got a lot going on. So, yeah, continuing on. We got some good stuff, man. Everybody's holding strong. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, so Coinbase Pro. Yep. We're on Coinbase Pro. Somebody's asking, where's Nutsack? Nutsack did join my Patreon group. It was so funny. I was in Patreon when he dropped in, and I saw him drop into the Discord, and I'm like, Nutsack is in the house, So he's a cool guy. He's a cool guy. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see how we're looking here on the chart. We're about similar. I think we got our pump out of that right now. Okay, we'll keep moving forward and see what we got. Okay, we're still hovering around that 29-30%. We've also, guys, you got to realize that right now, half the world is basically still asleep, okay? So what's going to happen here is North America and this part of the globe is going to go to sleep, and the rest of the world is going to pick this up news as well. We might get additional pump out of that. Just something to think about, okay? Something to think about. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see. Somebody said I'm the best. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys. Got a super chat here. Cavalier 60 for a super chat. Thank you. Did you ever think you would get this point where you have thousands watching you? Congrats on your success. No, I did not think I would get here. I've told this story, guys, and I'll tell you guys again. I started covering stocks a little bit, and then I jumped over into crypto, and I loved it, started really loving it. And then my goal was to get my channel to 25,000 subscribers by the end of the year. In April, coming into May, I had 5,000 subscribers. And in May, I added, 45,000 subscribers in May alone. That's all you guys. That's Shiba, Doge. That's all you guys. And I am humbled by your support. Thank you so much, truly, for giving me a voice in this crazy crypto world. And I'm not going to ever take that take advantage of that. I'm never going to take it for granted. I'm always going to stay the guy you see right now and shooting straight with you and telling you. But thank you, Cavalier, for the super chat. No, I didn't ever think I would be doing this. I didn't think, and live streaming, I didn't think I'd be doing live streaming. And here we are, live streaming for you guys on a major breaking news. All right. Jake, thank you for that. I appreciate you, man. Tito Crypto says it's not on Coinbase Pro yet. And what happened? Here's the. By the way, this is the press release, guys. It may. So right here, see what it says. Starting Tuesday, June 15th. It may just not be available to you quite yet. on Coinbase Pro. But let's see. Oh, like right here. SHIB will not be available to New York residents. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time. So it should be coming online. And they, June 17th, if liquidity conditions, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay. I'm just reading this real quickly. Yeah, so you guys can read this right here. So if you're not seeing it on Pro, obviously it's coming. I mean, this is from Coinbase. This is a press release they just threw out there. So there we go. Oh, I got another super chat. Where's that at? First to say it, your new name is Austin. Honest Austin. Thanks, Jake. You didn't have to give me a super chat for that though, man, but I appreciate you. I guess, thanks. I appreciate that. I shoot straight, man. I don't pull any punches, right? Because here's the thing, guys. I want you guys to know the good and the bad, right? I mean, that's why I bring you videos when it's not good times, you know? I mean, I brought you videos when we were down and it was hard. You know, it was like, man, it was hard looking at your portfolio and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I'm always going to be here. Mario, talk about token burn. Yeah, Mario said talk about token burn. Thanks for the super chat. Yeah, I mean, for this to rise, thank you, Mario. That's a very, very good point. We've got to get swap up and running. We got to get some token burning going, guys, for us to continue to kind of move up. That's a real... Mario, thank you for that. I appreciate you bringing that up, man. That's a brain fart. Okay. Mario said talk about token burn. Guys, for us, so we really got three things that need to happen, right? We've got to continue to get some more retail money coming in. Number two, we got to get Shiba Swap out there. Number three, we got to get some tokens burned and continue to kind of get the burning going on, which will create that deflationary scenario, scarcity, etc. That'll continue to ride the price up. Thank you for that, Mario. Appreciate the super chat, man. That you're right. That's a good point. I'm glad you brought that up. So thank you. Really good point. I love how people are calling me a liar that it's not on Coinbase Pro. You know, what the hell? Here it is. This is proof right here. It's right here. Go look it up. Go on Coinbase.com and look it up. It's right there. You think I made this up? I love this crap. Okay, I'm not a liar. All right, I'm not even going to give that time of day. Watch Wasim, thank you for that. Let's see. Honest for SHIB. Come on, Shiba Swap. Am I getting the testnet site? They haven't reached out to me yet, guys. If they reach out, if I'll put it out there. If any of the Shiba devs reach out to me, and give me access to the testnet site, I will absolutely bring it to you guys. But they have not reached out to me, guys. Okay. Let's see. Don't listen to jerks. Yeah, that's cool. Thank you for that, Michelle. Appreciate it. Where can you buy Shiba? Here, let me show you this. Well, you can Coinbase Pro. It's coming. If you go to CoinMarketCap, guys, right here, and you go to Market, you can see all of the markets where you can get it. Binance, KuCoin, etc. They're all right here. Crypto.com right here, and obviously Coinbase is not on here yet, but coming. So there you go. So if you guys anybody's looking where you can buy it, that's where you can get it. Okay. Let's see if we continue. We're still at 9052. Peter, watch your videos every day. Keep it up. Thank you for the super chat, Peter. Peter Pineda 863. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Let's see. When is Coinbase Pro? When is it's launching, guys? Here it is right here. It's available today. We've had a couple people drop in and say you can't see it on Coinbase Pro yet. It could be a network thing. It's not quite available to every single person, right? But it's on Coinbase Pro first, guys. And then what they'll do is that they will Coinbase launches it on Coinbase Pro trading app first, and then they make it available on Coinbase.com, and they make it available on the Coinbase app. That's kind of the rollout. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, I think it's going to go up. Somebody asked if it's going to go up. If it's going to go up, yeah, I think it will. So again, we had earlier. Who was that said that wanted me to talk about that and give you props again? Where was that? Hold on, just a minute. The super chat already went away. Okay. Yeah. So basically, we got to get some coins burned, right? We got to get Shiba Swap. And we got to keep going. We also got Robinhood coming, guys, right? We got Robinhood coming, okay? Robinhood is another major catalyst out there, right? And here's the funny thing, guys. Remember, somebody said it earlier in the chat. This is awesome. Somebody said it earlier in the chat. Coinbase, I mean, excuse me, Robinhood is probably like, damn it, man, we missed it. Coinbase probably pulled a fast one on us, right? That's cool. All right, let's see what else we got here. Baby mode. If you PM Satoshi, he'll reply to you if you want to test. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. All right, I'll have to check that. I'll have to check on that. That's cool. Thank you for that. Appreciate that. Steven, I turn your videos on every day for information. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Good time to buy more. I mean, yeah. Why not, right? I mean, I think it's could be, I think we're on. Here's the thing. We've been waiting on these catalysts, right? We've been waiting on Shiba Swap. Well, we had Shiba Analyst. And by the way, if you guys haven't checked him out yet, I'm going to give him props. If you go to YouTube and if you go over here, hey, there's me. I'm live. Shiba Analyst. There he is. If you go right here, This guy, I love Shiba Analyst, right? I'm giving him all credit. Shiba test site revealed right here. Go, guys. Go subscribe to Shiba Analyst. Go absolutely support this channel. He is only covering SHIB. He does an amazing job. I'm a huge fan. No hype, no bull. Good stuff. Okay, so go check him out. He's the one who broke right here, this video, Shiba test site revealed. He's the one who broke it and showed it. I covered it and I gave him full credit for it. I gave a link to it. I'm covering him in a live chat. Go support this guy. I love his stuff. And I heard somebody dropped in one of my comments that he gave me a shout out for supporting him, which is really cool. All right, so I've got a couple of super chats here. Hold on just a minute. Austin Hilton just bought 500 million SHIB. Should I stake it? Absolutely. Why not? Right? Caveman Hungry. Cool. Caveman Hungry. Ollie Vegas gave me 99 cents. Thanks for that. Didn't say anything, but I appreciate it. Robin, you're not a liar. I appreciate you because you get first info. I was expecting SHIB Analyst to come with it, but he's good with other stuff. I guarantee you SHIB Analyst might be away from his computer because, guys, I was not at home. I got a call, and I'm like, SHIB is popping, it's pumping, and I'm like, what the hell? I came home and I literally looked it up, and and the first thing I found was the press release from Coinbase, and I'm like, man, there it is, and that's why we're up. So yeah, that's why we're moving. All right, we're up a little bit more. We're up 30.45, and we need to get to where are we at? We peaked at 975, guys, right here, 975. We peaked there, so we got to get a little bit back up to that. So thank you, Robin. Appreciate it. Thanks for the super chat, by the way. Scott West is staking his 318 million. That's cool. I saw it. Was there another super chat? Did I miss it? Robin did that. I think I got one, but I don't see it yet. No, it's one I already covered. Okay, cool. All right, I'm just reading comments, guys. What Cavalier? I'm seeing you covering the recent news. No new videos on the Coinbase release. Yeah, I'm not. It's not a video. I went live, guys. That's when. So instead of me launching a video, I'm like, hell, man, I'm gonna go live, and we're gonna talk about this live. So I don't have a video. Somebody was asking if I have a video on the Coinbase release. No, we're live, baby. We're talking about this stuff live. Without a net. I'm operating without a net here, right? I'm operating and not without a net. Just subscribe. Thank you. Just followed me. Cool. Thanks. Appreciate it. Getting some subs. But yeah, you guys go check out SHIB Analyst. He's good stuff, man. Joe Emma, I learned a lot from you. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I wish there was a way I could like stop the chat, but I can't. It's just crazy how it's coming in. Yeah, nobody sell. Somebody's saying nobody sell. Bought 2 billion SHIB in January, holding till a penny. Michael said that earlier. Cool. Somebody says if liquidity conditions are met on Coinbase. That's standard Coinbase of legal verbiage. They said the exact same thing for Dogecoin. I think that's where the lawyers get a hold of it and they throw it on there. Don't worry about it. This whole right here. Where did it say? Where I just saw it. If liquidity conditions are met, don't worry about it. It's standard. Robin gave me a 5 super chat. Thanks, Robin. Appreciate it. Bitcoin going up fast right now too. What is Bitcoin pumping? Let me look at that. Let me do that. It is. Whoa. Bitcoin is up, guys. Bitcoin's pumping as well. And that's a big deal, guys. Bitcoin's going up as well. Thanks for whoever dropped that in. Whoever dropped the Bitcoin's going up as well. I mean, Bitcoin going up 2.65%. We were at about 40,600 earlier today, guys. 41,000. I want to remind you of this. I'm not a doom and gloom guy, guys, but remember data mesh. Look at this. We've got 22,775,000 shorts positions. Back in the day, in May 17th, we had 11,000. The price of Bitcoin went from 50,000 to 30,000. Now we've got 22,000 people shorting it, and Bitcoin is going up. It just shows you we got a bunch of retail money supporting as well. Retail is you and I, guys, okay? So we have some really good stuff going on. We've got some long positions too. We're adding a few long positions. Actually, we're down a little bit. Excuse me, I missaid that. The graph's right here. See the green? But yeah, Bitcoin's pumping. Where is it? Where did I have that at? It's right here. Ethereum's up too. Ethereum has not been moving up as much as at Bitcoin. JJ, anyone who doubted Shiba doesn't deserve a dime. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. Hey, you guys have been here through the good times and the bad times, right? I mean, when we were all just kind of hanging around going, when is this thing going to do something? It's crazy. Oh, there we go. So, all right. So you guys know I have this on a 1 hour time frame. So we've just picked up another candlestick, and we're gradually moving up. So that's good stuff. Okay. So there's your beginning of your second hour right there. Okay. So we're moving up. Cardano's in the green. It's cool. Somebody's asking if I'm starting a Telegram group. Guys, I don't have time to do a Telegram. I'm sorry. If you guys want to get access to me, like in my Discord, you're welcome to join over there. I've got just a Discord only level. You guys can go check that out. It's in the link below if you guys want to check it out, to my Patreon, and if you just want access just to the Discord, you can check that out. So go check. You can hit that link below. Somebody's asking Jason what shorting means. Guys, here's how you need. If you want a more in-depth definition of what shorting is, go on YouTube and just look what is shorting, and you'll get tons of videos. Here's how you need to think about it. Shorting means that people, these are positions that make money when Bitcoin goes down. That's how you need to think about it, right? They want the price of Bitcoin to go down. Okay, longs are that's who I am. That's most holders are. Is they want to buy and they want to hold, and they make money as the price goes up. That's how you need to think about it. Jason, I think you asked that question. Okay, let's go back over here. So we're at 9162, guys. We're climbing. We're at 30.66. We're going back up a little bit. Julian, why is Shiba rising? Because we just got listed on Coinbase Pro. For those of you guys jumping in right now, we just got listed on Coinbase Pro. Okay, this is massive news that's breaking. That's why I'm here live with you guys. Okay, that's why I'm here live. So that's why we're rising, guys. That's why we're pumping. It's crazy. Major catalyst that frankly we weren't really expecting. Let's just call it what it is, right? We were not expecting to get Coinbase, right? We weren't expecting this. We were thinking the whole Robinhood thing, and Coinbase, I almost bet this is what happened. Coinbase was like, you know what? A couple of guys sitting in a room, they hate Robinhood. Let's just beat them to it. Let's just bring it on. I bet you that's what happened. I mean, I don't know that. I'm just saying. Couldn't you see that? Two people, the guy sitting in the room going, you know what? We're going to show Robinhood. Let's just do it. I know it's not as simple as that, but I would have loved it. That would have been what happened. Yeah, you guys hit the like button. We got almost 1,100 likes. It's cool. Hit the like button if you would. Tell it. Somebody says I don't really understand short selling. Of course I do. I do understand short selling, but you guys got to understand. I love when people try to jump on and hate on me. You know what? I'm going to call you out for it too. I do understand short selling, but I also have to be able to explain it to you guys. Okay? Because you have to understand. You guys, there's 20,000 people that'll see this video, and I got to be able to explain it where kind of the average trader or individual understands it. There you go. I do understand it. Go away. All right. Steve D, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate you. Thank you. So Greg's asking about realistic price prediction. I think where are we at? Sorry about that. I think we got to get back. Our all-time high has been we had a 3 in this spot right here. That's the 100,000 spot. So right here, when we go to 9999, then we'll pick up we'll move here with a 1, right? That's how it works, okay? And so I think with all the catalysts, I think we're going to get to a 1 and stay there and hold it. We got to get to the 1. We got to stay there. We got to hold it. Then I think we can get here. I think we can get here with just off of Coinbase. I don't have a crystal ball, but that's my thought. And then if Robinhood comes, we're here. When Robinhood launches and we get that network, we move to the 10,000 spot, and then Shiba Swap I think is here to here, somewhere in there. That's my 2 cents. Okay. Guadam, I hope I'm saying your name right. I just gave you an explanation about that. Coinbase beat Robinhood. Laugh out loud. Yeah, I think that's what happened. I do. I think that's what happened. I'm just reading these. Hold on just a minute, guys. Thanks. I'm doing a good job. Appreciate it. Hey, appreciate it. Still a good time. Do a grab. Thanks. Why is it pumping? Somebody, Peter, we just talked about it. Coinbase Pro right there. So I'll leave that up. That's why it's pumping, guys. I'll leave that up. So the reason that it is moving up massively is Coinbase Pro. Luke, thanks for the super chat. Hey, from Australia, just letting you know, Satoshi just had some things to say in the Discord. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, so let me show you guys this. I want to show you guys this. If you go over to Twitter, and I've shown this on a video. If you go over to Twitter and you type in SHIB, you go right, where was it? There it is, right here. If you go right here, and of course there's the announcement. Where is the Discord? Oh, right here. So here's the Discord. So if you go to Twitter and you type in SHIB right here, and you go to SHIB verified account, which is pretty darn cool. They just retweeted it right here. So there's proof of it right there, live in person. There you go. For those of you guys that are hating on me and didn't believe me that it's on Coinbase, there you go. Okay. So we had somebody drop in. So thanks for the super chat. We had somebody drop in that they're talking about on the Discord. And then if you see this, scroll down, you'll see this tweet right here. And this link right here. See it? Click on this link right here, and that'll take you over to Discord, and you can join the official Shiba Inu Discord. And it says that they say that he's over there right now. Okay? So there you go. Okay? So go check that out. Are we moving up? Yeah, look at this. The second candle is moving up. Right there. Look at that little second candle is moving up. Yeah, we're moving up. We're at 9241 now, guys. We're moving back up. Cool. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, did I miss it? I have a super chat. Where was it? I'm sorry. Where was it? Steve, thank you. Appreciate it. Tim, when can you buy it on Coinbase? Right now, they're officially making it available on June 15th today. On Coinbase Pro, and it'll be on Coinbase.com and the app probably within 24 to 48 hours. That's what happened with Dogecoin, by the way. Okay, guys, that's what happened there. Somebody's asking what part of America I'm in. Love the accent. I'm a Texan, straight up. So actually, I mean, yeah, I'm a Texan. That's where I'm from. So I've lived here my whole life. And but I was actually born in New Mexico. Nobody really knows that about me. I was born in New Mexico, and I was born in a little oil town out there. And then I've lived in Texas my whole life. So that's where I'm from. I'm from the Dallas area. For those of you guys that asked me that, that's where I'm at. We got another. Do I have another super chat that I missed? There it is. Okay, Dad's Adventures. Can you elaborate on what happened with crypto.com? I came in, you were saying it froze or people were locked out. Is crypto.com untrustworthy? Any advice is much appreciated. Okay, so I got a super chat. Thank you, Dad's Adventures. That's a good screen name, by the way. Can you elaborate on what happened with crypto.com? I came in when you were saying it froze or people were locked up. Is crypto.com untrustworthy? Any advice is much appreciated. All right, so Dad's Adventures. Here it is. I don't have any problems with crypto.com. As you guys know how this game is played, is that certain coins and certain tokens can only be bought and sold on different exchanges, right? And so SHIB, you could buy Shiba on crypto.com. And what I was talking about, Dad's Adventures, was I have some people in my private Patreon group. They were talking about the fact that crypto.com had some outages where you couldn't buy, you couldn't sell, you couldn't trade. That's the sum total of what I knew what was happening. But crypto.com has had some outages that I've kind of heard about here and there. Is it untrustworthy? No, absolutely not. I think that it's an outages scenario. And by the way, this has happened on Robinhood as well, and some of the exchanges have had outages. And the outages, I don't know the full extent of like why an outage would occur, but a lot of times it's because of volume on the network and it can crash their system. Okay, so I would not say that crypto.com is a bad network, a bad exchange. Not at all. I think it's good. And what usually ends up happening for a lot of people is you end up with multiple exchanges. You might have a crypto.com account because you buy and sell certain coins in there, and you might have another account where that you like on Coinbase. Okay, so you buy and sell there. So there you go. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate you. I've got some more. Where were they? Brian just sent me a $9 super chat. Thanks for that. Appreciate that. Dad's Adventure did. There we go. I saw that one. Let's see. Does it jump to it? Rolando, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. QH77 Burn and Hold. Burn and hold 10.5 USD. I don't really understand what you're trying to say to me on your super chat, man. But yeah, we need to get more coins burned. That'll come with Shiba Swap and things like that. Brian just sent me a super chat for 9. Appreciate that. And Dad's Adventure. All right, I got all the super chats. Thank you for the super chats, by the way, guys. I appreciate you. Shitoshi was on Discord. We talked about that. If you guys missed this, if you want to go get on the official Shiba Inu Discord, go over to Twitter, type in SHIB. This is the official Shiba Inu Twitter account, and then scroll down to this tweet right here, and you'll see it's a link. Oh, sorry, right here. It's a link right here. Okay, and that'll get you into the official Discord over on Twitter for Shiba. I'm gonna leave this up so you guys can see this because this is the official Coinbase Pro, which is really why we're here. So Terrence says, my opinion, correct me if I'm wrong, but since Coinbase Pro accepted Shiba, then other companies such as Robinhood and other companies will fall in line and start accepting. Yep. Who said that? Terrence, you get credit. Terrence chatted in. Basically, hey, since Coinbase is accepting it, will the other people like Robinhood and eToro and whomever, will they start accepting it? Yeah. I mean, that's probably going to happen, guys. So that's a really good point. All right. Diego just bought another 500 million. Cool, Diego. Starry, can we buy on Coinbase Pro? Right here, yes. You should be able to get it on Coinbase Pro. Will Shiba hit $1? Fayus, I mean, that's a long way away, guys. That's a long way away. Shiba right now looks like we're pumping a little bit. And let's look at our trading view. Yeah, we backed off just a little bit on that candle right there. See that candle? And now he's moving up and moving down. Just a little bit of movement. This is your major pump when the news went live. I'm going to remind you guys, for those of you guys just dropping in, this is, remember, half of the world is basically asleep now, right? They don't even know this has happened, guys. So North America is going to basically go to sleep. This part of the globe, if you will. It's more than North America. You know what I'm saying. But basically, this part of the globe is going to go to sleep, and the rest of the world is going to wake up to this. We very well may wake up to a pump of even higher tomorrow. Now, I also want to, you guys know me, I also want to caution you a little bit. I'm hoping, and I'm telling you guys, hoping that we don't get a sell-off. I don't want that to happen, but I'm hoping that we don't get a sell-off when we continue to move up, okay? Ethereum is up too. Yeah, let's check this out. So Bitcoin is up 2.79, 2.84. Yeah, Bitcoin moving up, Ethereum moving up, etc. We're looking good. Looking good. Somebody asked, does Shiba have use case? I mean, not technically. Shiba Swap's on its way, things like that. Similar to Dogecoin and things like that. It has become one of the main other, really, I would think that Shiba is the main other meme coin out there. Again, don't slam me for that, right? It is what it is. Okay. Thanks for the super chat, Rolando. Appreciate you. Whoop, just got one. What is that? How high do you think the price will go in the next month or two? Keegan sent me the super chat. Thank you for that, Keegan. How high do I think the price will go in the next month or two? I think, again, I think in the next month or two, if we get Shiba Swap out and we get Robinhood, remember, all-time high, I'm going to tell you this, all-time high has been when we had a 3 sitting in this spot right here, okay? So we're going to get back to that. We're going to get a 1 here and move up and move up and move up. Then we got to get over here. So for us to get to a even higher in the next couple of months, Shiba Swap has to happen. We get Robinhood. We get the major part of Coinbase starting to trade. We're not even. You got to remember with Coinbase, we're only on Coinbase Pro. Okay, when the masses that use Coinbase, not that, because the majority of traders on Coinbase do not use the Coinbase Pro edition. They use just Coinbase.com. Okay, and they're different, right? Remember, they are. So when we get the massive, I think we might see a more pump. I think, to kind of answer your question for the super chat, Keegan, is I think within all of that, I think we can move over. I think we can get over to another 0. Okay, I think we can move over into the 10,000 spot if we get some of those catalysts moving. A 1 or 2 in that scenario. Okay, we continue to move over. So thanks for the super chat. Appreciate it. Cool. Oh, just got another one. I meant hold till. Oh, sorry about that. So you dropped in Q877. You didn't have to do another 5 one, but thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you. You meant hold till 10 to 50 cents and burn. Oh, I got you. Yeah, I mean, 10 cents for Shiba is massive. I'm gonna remind you guys of a video I did. There's a video I did where I was talking about if you put $500 into Shiba when it was like trading in like the 4 range, and if it went to 1 penny, that $500 at the 1 penny rate spot was going to bring you like 740,000. If we got here, that same $500 was going to give you 74,000, and if we got here, and by the way, a 1 in those spots. If we got here, that same 500 would get you 7,000. So if we got to 10 in that scenario, $500, 700,000 would probably be 7 million. If we got to 10 cents, $500 bought when this was around 4. If we got to 10 cents, which is a 1 there, I believe that's 7 million, 7.4, because this one was 740,000. 7.4 million? Crazy. Wow, that kind of sends you, that's kind of pause for a minute. I'm going to have a drink on that. Hold on a minute. Wow. Could Shiba be a Doge killer? Pete Smart asked. No, you know what? No, they're different. They're not, they're different. No, it's not a Doge killer. Thank you, Etisham, for the super chat. I appreciate you. I hope I said your name right. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Oh, here's another one. Oh, I already did that. Dad's Adventures. Let me go back down here. Bear with me, guys. I'm just reaching. Nick P. Why the pump? The pump is because, for those of you guys just coming in, the pump's because we got listed on Coinbase Pro. Soren, what do I think about Porn Rocket? Had to bring it back to Porn Rocket. Porn Rocket's down right now, but I don't think that's a bad thing. I think, look, here's the thing. However you feel about porno, I'm not going to get into that. The fact that you've got companies that are coming out and releasing their own cryptocurrency tokens and coins to trade on the porno networks is smart. The companies that are making it. So in these tokens that are on the crypto, these tokens like Porn Rocket that you can use on these adult porno sites, they're used for like, you pay to message, you pay to tip, whatever, right? By, subscriptions. I don't know what they're used for beyond those things. I do know they're used for messaging and, tipping and things like that. I mean, it's the thing. Porno's not going to go away. It's only going to continue to stay as big or get bigger. It is what it is. And so from a business standpoint, owning a few of the porno tokens is probably not a bad idea. It's not. And Porn Rocket right now is a little bit on the I think it's down with like 38%. So it's maybe not a bad one. Let's see. Amal, thank you for the super chat. I hope I'm saying your name right. I know it's hard to predict, but may I know from your knowledge how long it may take to reach a penny? Okay, Amal, thank you for the super chat, by the way. And so, yeah, a penny, which is right here. I think it could be... I honestly don't know if it's this year. I really don't know if it's this year. I think with all of the major things we got going on, all the cool catalysts coming, Robinhood, Shiba Swap, the continuation of Coinbase, maybe even eToro, things like that. I think we'll see. I think it could be by the end of the year or into next year. I don't know. I mean, it's hard to say. You're talking about. And oh, by the way, and somebody brought this up earlier on a super chat. I'm going to remind you, for us to get to a penny, we got to burn some tokens. There's got to be some pretty major burning going on. So I think that those things have to happen. Okay, Nicholas, you supply wealth manager services. Nicholas, you supply wealth management services, correct? When we hit it, I think you'll be sitting pretty with clients. No, Nicholas, I do not supply wealth management services. I would tell you guys, go out and get yourself a good financial advisor if everybody hits it and becomes a millionaire. That was funny. Thank you for that. Jay Perez, super chat. Thank you for that. SHIB price potential in 1 to 3 years for SHIB holders. Guys, I think in 1 to 3 years, I think it's a penny, if not 10 cents. That's my thoughts. I think it's possible. If we get all the catalysts, if we get Shiba Swap, if we get, we got to burn tokens. We got to get. There's got to be a pretty massive burn. That all takes time. So yeah, I think that's 1 to 3 years. So thanks for the super chat on that, Jay Perez. Appreciate you. Yep. Let's see what else we got here. We got 3,100 people live looking at this. This is crazy. Cool. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to. I've been doing this for about an hour. I said I'd be on live with you, so I'm going to have to give it I'll give it another 15 or 20 minutes, guys, and then I got to go pick up my son from a sporting event that he's at. He's 13 and he's in a sports camp. Take a drink. Here we go. Wicked, Austin, thanks for your time. Thank you. Appreciate it. Eric, what do I think about Baby Doge? Honestly, Eric, I don't have an opinion. I don't have an opinion on those guys. So my opinion on kind of some of those knockoff meme coins, I don't mean knockoff in a bad way, is that you definitely look at, here's what I would tell you. Is the dev team front and center? What's the use case around it? What's the tokenomics? Things like that. Kind of look at all that and then kind of, if you like it, put some money into it that you can afford to lose, because again, you'd never really know what's going to happen with those brand new ICOs. And, you guys know, I wish there's things I wish we knew more about Shiba Inu. I've been on record as saying that. I mean, I'm cool with it, but the fact that we're starting to see delivery on all the things promised is really, really good stuff. Okay. Thor said everyone should consider AMP. It's already in Coinbase. Yeah, for those of you guys who are that's a good point. This is one I know we're really talking about Shiba. This is one though, if you're tuning in, that's interesting, guys. Go take a look at AMP. They are a really cool token. Go take a look at this one. This one's good. So I don't know who brought that up. Thor brought that up, so thank you for that. AMP's a good one. It's been come up on a couple of my live streams. I think I'm going to be putting some money in AMP. And by the way, on markets, you can buy it over on Coinbase, Gemini, etc., Gate.io, the usual. All right, 1inch Exchange, etc. Okay, so it's over on Coinbase already. All right, let's go back to SHIB. Shiba Inu. There we go. 31%. All right, we're pumping up a little bit more. Oh, I got another super chat. Hold on. Did I? Christy, why aren't we gradually moving up? People are finding out the news every minute, but the price is staying the same. So, Christy, you bring up, thank you for the super chat, by the way. Christy, thank you for the super chat. Okay, so Christy says, why aren't we gradually moving up? And everybody kind of knows. Okay, so you got to realize, Christy, how these things work is that, number one, everybody doesn't know. Okay, and you bring up a really good point. Basically, what Christy's saying is like, why haven't we kind of gone up? Let me get my little thing here, my little brush. Why haven't we kind of gone up and continued to kind of go up and up and up and up? Okay, it's a good point, Christy. It's a really good question. So what's happened here is you got to realize that this whole scenario right here was the event that had just happened, right? We got a major spike. Okay. Now what you've got going on is a couple of things. Number one, not everybody does know. Okay? We've already looked at this. It has not hit mainstream media yet. So the vast majority of people do not know that this is happening. Also, you got to realize that there's half of the world that's basically still asleep. They haven't woken up yet. They don't know this has happened. Okay, so that's number 2 or 3 or whatever number I'm on. Also, what you have going on here, and you can almost see it like look at this little guy right here. You can almost see it going on right here. Look at how we got a little red candlestick. I'm going to tell you what's going on there. You got a little bit of an action there where there's some people going, oh gosh, oh we just jumped, we just popped, we just moved up. Oh, I want to get out. I want to start selling a little bit. Okay, so we also have some people that are selling a little bit, which is putting a little bit of pressure on it. Okay, so that's just the reality of what's happening, and you're looking at it live, by the way. See this? See how it's moving up and moving down? I don't know if you guys can see that. That's live. Okay, so these are 1 hour candlesticks. So you're literally seeing price action move, and over on the right, you're seeing price action right here. Okay, so it's a really good question, Christy. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate you. But I think, again, we got to get the rest of the world's got to wake up. We got to get mainstream media to see it. We've got to get also the fact that you can only buy it on Coinbase. Pro means that the vast majority of Coinbase, the vast majority of people on Coinbase don't use the Pro edition. They use Coinbase.com. And so we're not on Coinbase.com yet, which means we don't have access to the vast majority of the people on Coinbase for them to be able to buy and sell SHIB. There you go. It's a good. Thank you for the super chat. It was really a good point, and thank you for making me explain that, because a lot of people out there going, okay, I get it. Okay. Cool. Thanks for the super chat. Oh, I got another one. What is this? SHIB perpetual futures are also available for trade on Stormgain. Okay, so I got a super chat. True Standard said SHIB perpetual futures are also available for trade on Stormgain as of this morning as well. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. True. Thank you. And there's another one. Mako, check out Be Social. Would really like to hear your thoughts. All right, that's cool. Check it out. Let's see. So thank you for the super chat. Let's see. Be Social. Bank Social. There we go. All right, so I got a super chat asking me to check on this or check this out. So, okay, we're trading at 0.03. We're at 2994. I'm about to lose my voice, man. This is crazy. 7 days flat, 11194. Let me see what's the overview. Read more. Oh, it's a lending platform. Okay. Build a proprietary block score social credit scoring system. That's interesting. This is not a bad one. I mean, it's not bad at all. Let's look at their website. An evolution in lending, first of its kind decentralized finance, peer-to-peer lending platform. Encourage the whole, be social, redistribution, or visions to build a proprietary block score. Tokenomics, what's the tokenomics? I like this one. You know, here's why I like it. I like the fact that the front and center, they're talking about, hey, it's a brand new evolution in lending. I mean, do a little bit more due diligence around them, and again, put money into it that you can afford to lose. I realize I say that, but I always also I care about you guys. But at this price point, maybe $50, $100 or something like that, or whatever that is. I mean, it's probably not a bad idea. It's just kind of it's another one where it's kind of a lending platform, DeFi lending platform. But I like the tokenomics. Pretty straightforward. lending. What do they say there? We intend to evolve traditional lending on the blockchain, building transparent and executing with only community members in mind. They have a wallet, social consensus. This is cool. Whoever asked me for that, Mako, thank you. Appreciate that. Good super chat. Chris, can you explain DeFi for all of us who are new? How does smart contract work? Excuse me, man, I'm losing my voice. Well, you know what? We're going to do this. Here you go. When in doubt, just go to the old Google. Here you go. Chris, here you go. I'm just going to walk you through this. Excuse me. A smart contract. A smart contract is an agreement between two people in the form of computer code. They run on the blockchain, so they are stored on a public database and cannot be changed. The transactions that happen in a smart contract are processed by the blockchain, which means they can be sent automatically without a third party. Smart contracts are a major, massive, big deal in the overall, in the overall crypto world. Like for example, Cardano has been trying to bring smart contracts in. They're going to be on the Cardano network. They've been trying to get their smart contract stuff up and running for about 3 or 4 years, and they're coming in August. So there's a definition of smart contract for you, that's that. I just want to give you that. DeFi is decentralized finance. It's kind of the next evolution. Here you go. Let's just do this. I just want you, what is DeFi cryptocurrency? I love that Google has this. What is DeFi and how does it work? DeFi are financial services with no central authority. This is what's got banks scared as hell. Okay? It involves taking traditional elements of the financial system and replacing the middleman with a smart contract. We can also describe it as the merger between traditional banking services and blockchain technology. DeFi is a game changer. Okay, it stands for decentralized finance, and it's a big deal. It's got banks scared. Mark Cuban came out the other day and talked about the fact that decentralized finance has the banks scared as hell. It's also got government scared. Okay, it does, because the governments have, they're backing their own fiat money and things like that. It's got everybody. It's got the traditional establishment world scared as hell. So thank you for that, Chris. Appreciate you. Faisal says, sent me a super chat. Thank you for that. Can you please tell me your thought about buoyancy? Buoyancy. I've never heard of it. Let's go check it out. Okay. All right. Ranked 1,078. 3 cents, down 2.65. Volume is down 22%. Okay. So it's currently on, I didn't even look at that. Let me look at that. It's currently on KuCoin, Bitmart. Okay, cool, it's fine. Includes a cryptocurrency exchange, a wallet application, and mining and blockchain development center. The project claims to be based in Dubai. All right, that's it. Okay, well, let's go check it out. So they're going to have a wallet, an exchange, launches... Buoyancy Global launches the new invitation red packet on Buoyancy Exchange. So they have their own exchange, and their own wallet. Yeah, it's an exchange where they want you to buy and sell. Interesting. Staking, they've got staking. Okay. If you want to buy and sell, got to have an account, of course. I don't know. I mean, at this price, it's probably not a bad idea. There's a ton of exchanges out there, so they're aiming to become another exchange out there. And the thing about these things is that you never really know. I mean, without getting into like major technical kind of weeds and things like that. Faisal, hope I'm saying your name right. I always kind of hedge my bets. Maybe, put a little bit of money in if you're looking at it, and again, kind of it could make it. It couldn't. I don't know. The finances behind them, and are they pretty well funded? Things like that. What's their liquidity look like? All that kind of stuff. If it was me, just to maybe to buy some of their coins, okay. But I tend to want to be involved, and if I'm going to be buying and selling crypto. I want to be with some of the major exchanges like, like crypto.com and Coinbase and things like that. So thanks for the super chat though. Appreciate it. Already did that one, or you did this one. Alex, I'm a mailman delivering mail right now and listen to this on my ear pods, and it's better than music. Thanks for the content. Alex is a mailman. He just sent me a super chat. So Alex, thank you for your service by being a mailman. That's really cool. Thank you very much. Appreciate you doing that, and thanks for the super chat. All right. Yeah, Michael said, dude, 10 cents is a market cap, $30 trillion. I agree. So I agree. We got to burn tokens, Michael, a massive amount of them, by the way. Is this a new one? I already did that one. Okay, I'm just making sure. Difference between. All right, moving on. All right, guys, I'm going to have to wrap up here pretty soon. Adam, love the stream. Can you explain the difference between dig and bury on Shiba Swap? Okay, Adam, what I'm gonna do, honestly, Adam, I'm gonna forward you. I want you to, Adam, this is for you. Go check out Shib Analyst over on YouTube. He gets knee deep into all the dig and bury and all that kind of stuff. Go check that out. I'm giving him props. Go check him out over here. Shib Analyst gets into all of that stuff. Dig and bury and all that kind. It's cool stuff. I give him props. You need to go check him out, okay? All right, so do that. So I wanted to give you that. But thanks, Adam, for the super chat. I appreciate it. Oh, all right, everybody. Nutsack is in the house. Everybody, welcome Nutsack. He just sent me a super chat. So Nutsack's here. He wants me just to say his name, I'm sure. Nutsack. Keep the crypto strong. Time to put the money in your pockets. Also hit the like button. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Nutsack. Just saying, got to say your name again. Watson, thanks for the super chat. 100 million buy and hold. We will be rich by 2023. Yep. Spinal Tap. Sent super chat earlier. Sorry about that. Also, is there enough to pay us all? Sure, there is enough to pay us all. If I'm assuming you're saying, is there enough money to pay us all? Yeah, there's absolutely enough money to pay everyone. Sam, thoughts on India selling off? Let me look at this. India, Shiba Inu selling. Here's what I haven't looked at recently. I haven't seen how much. Sam sent me a super chat, so thank you for that, Sam. If anybody knows this, I don't know this, and you guys know me. I don't pull any punches. I don't know the answer. Does anybody know, out of the total gift that Vitalik gave to the India COVID Relief Fund, how much of that have they sold off? Have they divulged that amount? Somebody drop in the chat down below. If anybody knows that. I don't know that number. I had somebody ask me last night on my stream, or yesterday, and I haven't had time today because I've been doing all this other stuff. Let me know if anybody knows. If anybody knows how much of the India COVID relief, all the 50 trillion tokens that Vitalik gave to them, have they been sold off? So we'll get you your answer, Sam, if we do know it. Okay. John, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate you, man. Gustavo says 50 trillion. I don't think they've sold 50 trillion. That's how much that was given. Bradley says Thorchain almost up 50% over the last 3 days since we talked about it on your first live. Wow, Bradley, gee whiz. Dom says 20 trillion. So it sounds like. Maybe that. Oh, okay. Here we go. So we're getting an answer. So who asked me that? It was Ann. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you, Sam. We've got India COVID release has 20 trillion left to sell. There you go. There's your answer. Thank you. All right. Appreciate you guys. Michael says they have not been disclosed. He's been watching, but I've got like 10 people on here that said that 20 trillion is left. That they've sold 30 trillion and that they've left. They've got 20 trillion left. There you go. Now we know. Cool. Okay. So Damon says, before you go, could you answer when would be a good time to buy some more Shiba? Should we wait till another dip or invest now? Here's the thing. Okay. So we're on a, look at this. We're actually on a little dip right now. We got some selling pressure going on here, guys. Look at this live right here. You're seeing it. Okay. So we're getting a little, I said this might happen. And I don't mean that in a bad way. We got a little bit of selling off because here's what you got, millions and millions of people out there, right? And they're like, oh my God, I see that it ran up. I want to sell. I want to get out. And that's what's happening right here. They're selling out. I don't think we're going to continue to drop real hard. But remember, we got the rest of the world that's got to wake up. We should get another pump there. Okay, but that's right there. We got a little bit of a dip. So whoever asked me that, my advice to you on should you buy more is do a little bit of analysis and say, you know what? If it hits this number, I'm going to buy. And I'm going to buy this much. And that's how I look at it, right? But I would tell you as cheap as this is per token, which we're at 29, as cheap as this is per token, trying to really, pick your number, it's not a major massive difference, right? It's not. So if you're like, oh, I want it to hit 8910. Well, the difference between 8933 and 8910 is infinitesimal. It's another good word of the day. It's infinitesimal in the grand scheme of things. All right, guys, 5-minute call, and then I got to go. 5-minute call. I've been here about an hour and 21 minutes, which is a lot longer than I thought I would. So thank you guys for your support, truly. Bradley, yep, Thorchain's almost up 50%. Thank you. You're welcome, man. That's cool. I'm glad you jumped on that, man. Tolis, what do you think about web dollar? Please answer. Just sent me a super chat. Let's look at it. All right, this will be the last one I'm going to look at, guys, okay? And then I gotta bounce out. Web dollar. Let's look at this one. So there we go. It's down 2.5. It's 951 ranked. Okay, ranking there. Look at the 7-day. Whoa. Year to date. All right, there we go. Kind of moving up. Woo, we spiked up, and now we're coming back down. Let's look at this real quickly. Webdollar.io. What do you guys do? What's your use case? Web dollar, currency of the internet. See your network. What is it? Start mining in seconds. You start mining web dollar immediately? Okay. Secure, built on the most. Okay. With easy browser integrated blockchain from peer-to-peer transactions like cross-border blockchain payments. Okay. Peer-to-peer network. See your mining group. Connection real time. No downloads, installation. Generating wallets. Mining directly in your browser. Okay. So mining, I'm assuming. Yeah. 7.28. Pool mining. I don't have time to read the white paper. I don't know. About. I don't know enough to tell you, honestly. I'm not overly impressed with just kind of what I'm seeing here. It's. I don't know. I'm not feeling it on this one. Currency of the internet, I'm not feeling it. They're not doing a very good job of explaining it to me and kind of like, hey, this is what we do. All right, guys. So I'm going to read a few more comments and then I got to get out of here, okay? By the way, I am going to do another live tonight. Zach and I are going to do a live tonight if my voice is not gone from this one. All right, guys. So I'm going to give you a few more minutes and then I got to bounce out. Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me. We were here for about an hour and a half. Cool. Thank you for all the super chats. Wasn't expecting that. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. And I just, again, sincerely, I want to tell you, and I know you guys hear me say this all the time, but, guys, thank you for your support. I don't take it lightly. Thank you so much for you guys supporting my channel, watching my videos. Thank you so much. I'll keep it real. I'll continue to bring you the content. And this is a good day. Let's see how we're wrapping up here real quickly. We're still just got a little bit of pressure on us, guys. So keep your eye on it. Keep watching what's going on. We got a little bit of pressure on us right now, but this is a good day. We got some other catalysts coming. I'll be coming at you live. You're probably here later tonight. And and I'll see you guys later. All right, guys? So enjoy. Have the good rest of your day. Keep an eye out. I am going to be doing another live stream tonight with Zach Humphreys and I. We're going to be doing one tonight, probably around 6:30, 7 o'clock Central Time in the United States. So if you're around, catch me then. I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.